Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic come with several upgrades compared to the predecessors, but one question that arises is whether these improvements extend to the battery life. Unlike previous iterations, the Galaxy Watch 6 series doesn't have a Pro model. Instead, both the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic share many similarities, with the primary distinguishing feature being the Classic's larger case size and rotating bezel. Both models boast an always-on display, a useful feature that can impact battery life significantly. According to Samsung, users can expect around 30 hours of usage with the always-on display turned on and approximately 40 hours when it's turned off. Surprisingly, these numbers are slightly lower than the claimed 50 hours of usage for the Galaxy Watch 5. It is possible that Samsung provided more conservative estimates for the Watch 6 series, considering the real-life usage of the Galaxy Watch 5 did not match the initial claims. The Galaxy Watch 6 is available in two case sizes, 40mm and 44mm, while the Watch 6 Classic comes in 43mm and 47mm sizes. The smaller models in both series house a 300 mAh battery, while the larger ones have a 425 mAh battery. Despite the Classic's larger size, its battery and display are the same as the standard Watch 6, resulting in no difference in battery life between the two models. As for charging, the Galaxy Watch 6 series includes a USB-C magnetic charger, but it no longer comes with a charger in the box. Charging speeds have not seen any improvement over the Galaxy Watch 5. Samsung states that a 30-minute charge with a 10-watt charger will only top up about 45% of the battery. The Galaxy Watch 6 also supports fast charging, with an 8-minute charge providing approximately 8 hours of usage. Additionally, both the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic support wireless power share, enabling Galaxy smartphone users to charge their watches via reverse wireless charging. This feature is available on most flagship Galaxy smartphones, allowing users to place their accessories, like smartwatches and earbuds, on the back of the smartphone to charge their batteries. In conclusion, the Galaxy Watch 6 series brings some improvements, but the battery life might not be significantly better than the previous generation. Users can benefit from the always-on display and wireless power share, making it a convenient smartwatch solution for Galaxy users. However, it remains essential for potential buyers to consider their usage patterns and charging habits before making a decision. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.